Made $150,000 betting on sports, looking for 50-50 YOLOs in the stock market. Any real ideas? Long story short, I've been using martingale betting on sports where lines fall between 200 and 200. After over $2 million wagered, I'm net $150K positive. I'm sick of this and want true degen action but don't want to expose myself to unlimited losses. This is a betting subreddit. Can anyone give me anything close to a coin flip as possible? I want a YOLO 100K on Monday. You could try betting on the Super Bowl. Perfect place for you. 0 TDE sounds like what you're looking for. Only up to 100 losses and you get to decide how much you want to gain lol. Brother 75K Google 75K Microsoft shares throw your phone in an ocean and go to an expensive rehab. For your gambling habit, come out a fucking beast. Send it to me. 50 chance I choose to double it for you. 50 chance I decide to keep it. Give it to me. I'll show you how to lose money like no one you've ever met before. Bubble wrap. Pop 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 pop. Pop 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 pop. Pop 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 pop. Pop 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 pop. Pop 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 pop. Pop 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 pop. NVDA earnings the 21st. DKNG, bet on sports betting. Dude wagered with 2 meters and only 150K net gain. He will be much better putting it somewhere in dividends. R dividends. MicroStrategies calls. Mara calls. Or Sol calls. There is no better 50-50 bet than Spirit Airlines Save right now. Judge could rule either way on JetBlue merger. Stock trades at $11.26. Agreed buyout is $33.50. If the judge lets the deal go through, stock should instantly jump to the $25 range and then ultimately close at the $33.50. If the judge blocks the merger, stock price will probably fall $25-30, but it won't go to zero. I think this is exactly what you are looking for. Buy Bitcoin. Buy 75K long-dated SPY puts and have that 25K ready to go with some shorter dates calls. CELH earnings hit Wednesday. Stock announced split before earnings. Very bullish. 11-10-440 SPY call or 11-10-430 SPY put. Maybe GameStop? XD. True degen but not completely regarded? BTC call options for June 2024 at 50K. Put all your money in the ape stock. When the Reddit consensus price target of 10 octodecillion is hit, you'll be very pleased. PYPL long-dated calls or DIS puts for earnings and anytime they above $85. Just pile it in Bitcoin. It's risky but at the same time it's a solid play. It bounces around a lot so it will feel like gambling. If you really want to degen it up then leverage it. IMG emote T52TH52 27421. YOLO puts on Tesla. Buy Save. Current ARB play in trial now pay out a $29.80 $30 depending on month. Trial ends December 5. Decision to follow by Jan. DOJ's case is a joke. JetBlue will prevail. Current price $11.31 NFA. Can someone explain what is 200,200? You're definitely in the gambling addict section. Thumbs up. Breeders' Cup Weekend YOLO on Auguste Rodin. If you're into the martingale strategy, why not learn to use it while day trading? Learn support resistance. Read the tape. Watch other indicators. And look for your edge. Then place trades and utilize your martingale strategy up to your risk tolerance and see if you can tip the odds in your favor. Certainly more fun and calculated than just throwing it all into some coin flip. Seems like the martingale system is working when applied to your sports betting picks. Try to tip the odds in your favor with day or swing trading stocks. I feel like your name is Andre and I know you personally. Lol. Event contracts on the futures market. How would martingale work for sports? You should YOLO 100K into the SP 500 index funds and then spend the other 50K on buying something nice for yourself. Or pay off the taxes like a true regarded person. Sounds like you don't like money. Just give it to me. Full send 100K into NVDA puts Friday expiration. If you can't come up with a way to enjoy 150K, what makes you think you'll find a way to enjoy 300K? MSTR April 2024 calls. With ETF inbound and halving, MSTR may well pop. I'm doing this YOLO bet. This is a betting subreddit. You've come to the right place. Welcome, fellow regarded one. Bet on 2 dozens on roulette. Same amount on each dozen. You have a 2-3 chance of winning. If you win half of what you bet. A loss means you lose it all. Worth it since 2-3 is as good as you're going to find when it comes to winning. Edit forgot 0 and 00. You'll have a 63 chance of winning if you bet on 2 dozens. This guy will be behind a Wendy's dumpster by the afternoon on Monday. PLTR calls 2025-25C. You can lose it all. PLTR shares generational wealth over 5 years. CVX. Good dividend, and low at present. Short the shit out of DoorDash. Dude, shut the fuck up and walk away. Buy a treasury note and walk the fuck away. $2 million spent on all or nothing moves to win. 0.150K. You will feel like home here. AMC. Brother, please don't YOLO. Enjoy that money you have and make good investments to only ensure your future is even greater. I'm looking at Riot Platforms, Riot, Macy's, M. Haynes, HBI, optional potential bloodbath, PayPal, but I would tread carefully. You could try therapy. Bet it all on Solana. All in on Jollibee, trust me bro. That's a 7.5 return on invested capital. Sounds like one trade away from defeat. Don't do it. Holy shit bro. Not gonna pay your taxes? Can I get a small loan of $380,000 to pay off my student loans? I will pay it back over the course of 8-10. You keep the money instead of throwing it away? Bro, think before you act please. You want to be like me. 2 million wagered is easy with a 100K account. You got lucky up $150,000. Not impressed. I wouldn't be surprised if you lost it already. I been there, done that. Gambling or YOLO in stock options end the same way. You lose it all and that's when it's game over. You could take the 150, put 100K in something you don't touch and can't touch obviously because you're an addict. Then go lose the 50K doing something dumb. Shit, you might make 500K off that 50K. But in the end you lose, and you lose it all plus 100K of your money. I wanna know, how did you make 100K? Share some tips. $Sol Solana. Fuck you.